Okay, so welcome back again to our next tutorial. Okay, this tutorial is again about an array. This program will sort the number ascending order or descending order. Okay, so for example, the user will input number, for example, 10 numbers, and then the program will sort the number from ascending or descending. So it's like this will be used using array also. Looping, for loop, and array. So we will see here, this is our last video. Okay. So now we are using the same this one. Okay, because this one is asking how many numbers you want to input. Here, I will use here. I will delete this one. Okay. Next, this one is enter the array. It's the same, but how it will be reverse or not reverse, ascending order or descending order. So to print that one, so this one is the declaration. This one also is the asking the user how many numbers you want to input. Then the user will input the numbers depending on the number of input. Okay, so now after that one, after inputting the numbers, the display will be in ascending order. Okay, how to do that one? So we will add here for loop. Okay, for example, I will put here another variable which is for example j. Okay, so I will put here, for example, I is equal to 0. I is less than to the input, like this. Then I plus plus. Okay. Now we will reverse that one using like this, for j, okay, equals to I plus 1. So it will become 1. Then j is less than to input, then j plus plus. So here we will declare here temporary. We will put here temp. Okay. Then temp is equal to, no, before this one we will go for if statement. If array 0, for example, array I, it will become I here, is greater than to array j. That array j. This is R. Okay. Then this one is small a. Yeah. First is 0, then this one is 1. So 0 is greater than to 1. It means the value of array 0 is greater than to array 1. So there will be, we will put here in the temporary variable array I. Okay. Then we will swap. Okay, swap if the current selected array element is not in the correct position. So we will put here array I. So we will put here array j. Okay, then array j will be the temp. It's very simple because the first one, this one here, whatever the array 0, we will make a condition. If it is greater than, we will put the I to the temporary. Then j will be in the array I. Then temporary will be in the array j. So to print that one, it's like this. So we will put here console that write line. Okay, elements of array in ascending order. Okay, so we will print that one for example, I is equal to 0. Okay, it will start always to 0. Then the size or the input, then I plus plus. So the output will be console.write array I. Okay. So first, declare the variable. Next is input the user how many numbers. Then the user will input the numbers, which is held by this array variable. Then we will swap, or we will uh, order to the ascending order as ascending order. So this is the code. First is 0. So we will have then this one is 1. So I is 0 and j is 1. So here the array 0 is the first input of the user. The array 1, this one will become 1, is the second input of the user. So here, if it is greater than, it will put here in the temporary. Then array j will be again put into array I. Then the temporary, which is the highest one, will pass to the return j, which is 1. Okay, we will try to run this one. Example 5, we'll put input number 4, 2, 8, 7, 1. Then the elements or array in ascending order. Okay, of array, elements of array in ascending order. So this one. So as you can see, if I put here 8, like this, and this one, we'll put here 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 9. So in ascending order. Okay, so I hope you understand this code. Input, then input by the user, and then sorting. Okay, to the ascending order. Okay, very simple.